everyone. Let's learn today to paint an iris flower. So first of all, I am giving a wash of mixed color of blue and purple, very light wash to all the petals. And now I am adding light green with some little bit of black and ochre to the stem. Next I'm mixing those colors again, and I'm going to paint the second layer on one of the petal. Now I'm adding yellow, cadmium yellow, to those areas where it is required. Okay, so now it's done to color the background. So I have wet the background first with water, simple with brush, and added. Now I'm adding here, you can see I am giving a wash of light green color. Now I'm mixing light green with some black and giving a vertical strokes so that it looks like background grasses or stems. Taking care of the petals, we should not touch the petals. And again dark green with black. Here goes another layer of strokes. So this is up to you. You can do this in starting before giving wash to the petal of flower, or you can do later also. I have given wash and then I started doing the background, so that it will be like more clear to me how much I want to this petal color pop up, so I will add more color accordingly. So mixing light green with black, yellow with black, dark green with black. So these strokes I am giving. See here. Yeah. Now I have used my rigger brush and have started painting the petals of flower. So carefully I'm adding the mix of color, blue and purple. We can use that brush also previously with which I was coloring. It was from Brustro watercolor brush, but I am using this rigger brush so that some texture can come when we give color in very small part. So some textures come like veins of flowers, like something like that. So some dark, one more layer I am going where shadow of flower is there, so I am adding layer again and again, the layers of blues. So now I have taken that brush again, Brustro watercolor brush, and I am painting the petal, another petal here, you can see. Please pardon me if there is some noise background. I don't know how to edit that. There is some noise in the background. Some kids are playing, and there is a firing range near my house, so that's might sound is coming. So okay, so here when we are coloring, if the petal is has dried, so what we can do, we can add a little bit of water and then add the color, so it will look very nice. So very lightly I have added another layer here, you can see. Later on I will add again, give it darker color. Yeah, so some color was coming out, so I have lifted it off with my washed dried brush. So I'm going and giving shades to that previously cadmium yellow. Over it I'm applying yellow ochre, and to the stems also I'm again giving another layer, now with some light green yellow ochre and very light black to the stems outline. Now with my regular brush again I am giving those linings or veins of petals. I'm applying one more third layer here, darkening more the shadow part. I'm not that good at watercolor, so please pardon me if you don't like, just bear with me. I'm also like some learning here. I usually do acrylic painting, but recently I have got this interest in watercolor and soft pastels also. They are very, for me, not messy colors. I can use the colors again, so there is so much of good about these watercolor. We can use it again, but acrylic will dry very soon, right? So at the center I've applied some black also, little bit, and some tint of orange. Here again blue, sorry, the mixed color, what I should say, a mixed color, blue and purple. Again I'm wetting the background because it was dried, and I will apply green again, light green. Yep. Now some black. It's not proper black, some paints black or some color was mentioned in the tube. If you are taking a set of 24 colors of Camlin Artist watercolor, I have used that one here with some brush stroke watercolor also. So now for white color I am using Camlin acrylic paint, since I don't have this masking fluid for white. Otherwise we can use the soft pastel pencil also for white. The best way, if we can take care of white without coloring, is that is also one of the way, but I'm not able to do that, so mostly I use this acrylic color, white acrylic color for whites area. Again the darker shades. I have taken one more layer. I think this 4th or 5th layer. But see, the colors are looking more vibrant now. It's looking more vibrant, isn't it? It's not like every time we have to use more color in watercolor, then only it will look vibrant. Actually, I have used, in keeping in mind the background, green background of this flower. Many times if we overdo, then it looks very messy and muddy. Watercolor, for that matter, it looks very dirty. So now I'm applying another mix of yellow and light green, lemon yellow and light green on some areas background, so the colors will pop up and look more bright, vibrant. When we paint landscapes and all, that time we have to be very careful. In watercolor, sometimes white looks very beautiful, so we should leave those whites also. Now I have taken black and applying some shadowed area of the flower where light is not reaching. I think you know what is shadow part, and or else I will later in my videos I will tell that also, how to analyze a photo and then paint. After that acrylic white, I am adding some more blue over it, so a different light purplish color has come. It's looking very nice. Some blacks again to the stem, outline of stem. It's a portrait of flower. The picture here I have taken reference photograph from Pinterest, so it's something like portrait of flower. So backgrounds, leaves and all will not be that much clear, only I'm giving more focus to the flower. Only for colors and color contrast and vibrancy I have added layer on layer. I think it's done. Now time to remove the masking tape. Oh, okay, I should remove from here. I will fix it later. It has come out. So with some green, so to match the colors I have to paint here and there. Yeah, it is done. So I hope you all will like my video. There are more videos, you can watch that also. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment on the comment section below. Thank you.